So we just got back from a really cool weekend. This was one of the first weekends we had, since this whole coronavirus started, and we had a great time. So just love to thank everybody over there at Missouri Teardrops. Dana, you're just one of the best, and appreciate it. And if you guys ever need anything, any small trailer of any kind, Missouri Teardrops is a place to go. So hope you enjoy their 2020 open house. Get to spend the night, so that was great. And the cows, of course, welcomed us every morning.